Good morning everyone. Welcome back on another day with another video. Right now I am in Nepal, and this place which you are seeing here is the Ganga Sagar, and it is in Janakpur. This is the birthplace of Sita Mata, who is the wife of Lord Ram according to Hindu mythology, and this is the pond with name Ganga Sagar. Today is Saturday, and in Nepal Saturday is the holiday, and from Sunday to Friday it is the working day. On every Saturday I just came to know that this lake, which gets usually dirty with the religious practices, then on Saturday the army of Nepal come and they clean this lake. As you can see there, they are cleaning. I will go there and show. This is a quite big lake, and as you can see here, it is dirty and these guys are cleaning. I came here yesterday with train from Jayanagar to Janakpur. With Indian Railways I traveled to Jayanagar, and then I crossed the border, and from there I took Nepal Railways train from Jayanagar to Janakpur. The journey was good, but the train was overcrowded, and now it's morning time, like 8:30 or 9 a.m. and my plan is to first go to some shop and get the SIM card. After getting SIM card, I will see how I can get the tickets booked to Kathmandu, because I want to go to Kathmandu today only. We'll see if I will get the ticket now or after some time in the evening or like that. I will update you on it. While walking I came across this temple. It's Rajdevi Mandir in Janakpur Dham, and here you will see lot of temples. Look at this beautiful temple. This is completely different architecture than Indian temples, and this is Sita Mata Mandir in Janakpur, and it is very famous temple here. Here you can see there is place to put your shoes and go inside, and I can see also there is a router, so you can connect your Wi-Fi and you can get internet here also. Here is the free space to submit your shoes, and I will submit my shoes and then I will enter. Now I am inside, and look at this beautiful temple. It looks like a ancient palace, and this is the birthplace of Mata Sita. That was inside Sita Mata temple, and now I will go and eat something like in breakfast, and will see if some shop is open, then I will get the SIM card also. Here you will see all the number plates written in Devanagari script. It's written Madhya Pradesh and the number. So it's completely different. Usually we see number plates in English languages. I got SIM card and I got it at 320 Nepali rupees, and the company is Ncell. So now I am feeling good because I have now internet and calling facility. Now I will go back, do the checkout, and will head towards Ramanand Chowk. From there I will get a hiace or van to go to Kathmandu. I did check out, and now I am going to Ramanand Chowk in this tuk-tuk. I reached Ramanan Chowk and I came here. Here they booked the ticket and I booked for this van. This is like called hiace here, and the van charges was like 1000 Nepali rupees, and I will go with this to Kathmandu. Here is our driver, this one, and this is how it looks like from inside. I will be sitting here near the window, and there are many seats. We stopped at one place to pick up more tourists, and this is our luggage. It's fastened with rope. This is electric car. So we stopped here, and for some time it will get charged. Now we have reached one place and we have covered more than half of the distance. Now we stopped at this place. Again, this is a charging station and all the electric vehicles are getting charged, and it's written Digyo stopped, recharge and go with Ramtar. So here is also one restaurant and we will eat something like lunch. We started our journey from Jayanagar with total distance of 252 kilometers, and we have covered more than half. Now 120 kilometers is still pending, and now we will eat something because time is like 3:55 p.m. in the evening, and we will eat lunch here. I will order something from this. Maybe I will go with the veg fried rice and we'll wait for the food. I ate lunch and now I switched to hoodie because it will be colder after some time, so better to protect yourself from cold. Earlier the road was very good, and now you can see the road is horrible. It got destroyed with the floods maybe, and this is the road to Kathmandu. This horrible condition will be for next 30 kilometers. We were coming from that side and got something, maybe the tire got punctured or something, but it's not detectable. We have some little bit of noise, so the driver is checking it, and it's getting very cold. The wind is very cold here. Maybe temperature is 10 or 11 degree. Now we are entering Kathmandu, and first impression of this city is like it's completely advanced city. I did not expect it like this. You can see the malls and buildings everywhere, and this don't look like a mountain city built on the top of hills. It looks mostly flat, and the temperature is very good, and the vibe is very peaceful and amazing. I like it. Earlier I was in that taxi, and then I booked with the Pathao cab, and now I am at my hostel. This is the hostel, name is Antique, and it's inside Thamel area. So I did with the check-in process, and now we will. Okay, thank you. Now we will go upstairs and he will show me the room or dormitory. Now it's time to go outside and eat dinner. I will go, and one friend kind of, or acquaintance I will say, he is coming to meet me. I came inside my hostel and I forgot to end the vlog. I met that friend, and tomorrow we will visit places together. So that's it for today. See you again in next video. Bye bye.